luck. Good luck. The calm before the storm.
Reasonably good starting hand. Got some potential here. He wants to play the long game by the look of things. So I will also play the long game. Ooh, she's got similar hunts to mine.
My turn. For now,
I wonder
I'm
what she got.
stressed.
It's pretty good. Pretty good draw. Denied.
Growth requires patience. Awaken.
Denied again.
That's enough for now.
Oh, this is great. It's trading cards.
Answer the call.
And if only I had another one, eh? It'd be so funny. I played though. Wonder if she has like a deal 6 damage or one of those Inferno cards or something, just to like mess with me. There you go. Sneaky, sneaky. And take 4 damage.
Awaken.
I return the sentiment. The
I've done
Krabby
all that
can
I can.
go to hell.
An endangered species.
What you gonna play, huh? What you gonna play? Hmm? Did I call it or did I call it?
My turn.
Oh, thank God for that. Okay. I didn't take out my... Okay. What's going on here? What's happening right now? Four. 3 are about to go down. It'll let me click it. Thank you. Then I do this. Should have taken that Stormcaller, bro. Flamecaller, I should say. Flamecaller, not Storm. Such a broken card. Protected backline AoE. I'm gonna play this next. I got a poison, dangerous, deadly. Epira. Right. With little Miss Piggy on the pig. Miss Piggy on the pig. A bull, I guess. Bullish pig. It's taking forever, bro. Come on. Make a move. Make a move. Totally okay. I got this.
My turn.
Oh, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I do this. Then do this. Heal my character for free. Back to fresh health. Oh my god, yes, bro. Perfect. And I get more health too from that. I'm going to spend this favor. And I can attack the god.
It's the circle of life.
Bit of a conundrum. Bit of a conundrum. And I'll be able to play this next. 6 damage to the strongest enemy. That's fine. Still gonna hit that twice. Because I'm protected. And I have poison, bruv. Protected protects against poison. I believe it should anyway. One-time protection from any damage. I assume that would mean poison as well. Dude's thinking real hard about what to do right now. Nice. Is he gonna risk it? If he attacks that, he dies. That's his only move right now. He's got 2 mana. What's he gonna do? He's taking it right down to the line. Oh shit. And then I'll do this, right? Boom. Should have done something, bro. At least taken me out. So then that happens. Then this happens. Now I'm full health. And then I'm gonna put this.
For now, I must rest.
This is just perfect. I don't even need heals anymore. I'm playing that next, so I got my next front line ready to go. Oh, I'm playing this next as well. That, then that. Then that. I'll be at 8 by then. Perfect. Backline Blitz Overkill. After this creature destroys an enemy creature, summon a Vibrant Fruit. Bro. I got all the heals coming at me. Really hope she didn't just get some, like, mass damage. Wipe the board hard just then. Oh, thank God. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. Okay, so now what I need to do here is I'm gonna put this in there.
Okay, I can do this.
As I can. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Then what I want to do is I want to be able to kill off everything except this one and this one. Play that and hope to God it goes on that front line. And then there's no way she's going to be able to get through that. 10 with 3 armor? Nah. Okay, okay.
Awaken. We all have our limitations.
Oh, wow.
That's enough for now.
Oh, I should have played that. Oops, my bad.
A forest divided is destined to fall.
Oopsies. That... I should have just... I couldn't have even gotten rid of it if I wanted to. But that should have been on that one. Oh well, I'm still gonna win. Playing this next. Nah. Okay, okay.
I will not back down.
Bruv. We get a random nature card every go now. With this. So sick. The luck of the cards. You control at least 2 other creatures. Give +2/+2 to this creature. Nice. I'm gonna play that right back at you, buddy. Exact same thing. Come on, play the game. It's not gonna work.
My turn. Nature is often unpredictable.
Slowly chipping away that health. I'm just hoping she plays right through to the end and doesn't just bail early. I'm gonna play my 2 front lines. Yep. And that's my turn. I'm just gonna let the damage do its thing. Chip away, slowly chipping away.
Nothing I can't handle.
Really prolonging the inevitable here.
My turn. That is not possible. Ugh. Every life lost is a tragedy. We all have our limitations.
I'll play fair. I'll let her have one more chance to try and get me back. This could fuck me up, but at the same time, I could actually win, because... Oh, nah, it might not work. Oh, she actually did it! Oh, this is too good. She actually managed to kill me. That's alright. I did these. Just funnies.
We all have our limitations.
And end it there. That's awesome. What a game. What a great game. I love a good game like that. And I got a pack of cards. Let's go. Go open them up. Hopefully I got some good cards. Let's see what we got. Oh, I got 2. Okay. Still had one from before. Nothing special. Mammoths are good. Surprisingly a good card for a common. Nothing amazing. Wait, I got 3 packs? Okay. I swear it said I had 2, but alright. Take it. Nice. Deal health from your god. Oh, and an epic. Faithbreaker. Oh, I actually really want this card. After a god takes damage, this creature gains +1/+1. This is super effective if you've got like 2 front lines in front and you're just constantly smacking the god. This thing just stacks. Stacks on stacks. Anyway, I'll end the video there. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe in the future. Peace.